In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Premiere Pro rendering and export issues. If your timeline refuses to render, exports fail with vague errors, or performance suddenly drops, follow along and we'll stabilize your project step by step. First, give Premiere Pro a clean restart, save your project, close the application completely, and then reopen the same project. This simple reset clears temporary hiccups in plugins, effects, and the render pipeline, and it's often all you need to get a stuck render moving again. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of Premiere Pro. Updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements that target exactly these kinds of failures. Open your Creative Cloud desktop app or check within Premiere Pro's help menu to confirm you're up to date. Installing the latest build can resolve crashes, codec issues, and device compatibility problems without any other changes. Before you hit render, confirm you have enough free disk space. Rendering and exporting create large temporary files, and low storage can cause exports to fail at random percentages. Check the drive that holds your project and media, and the drive you're exporting to. Clearing space on your system drive also helps, since many temporary files land there by default. Move unused footage off the machine or delete unnecessary files to create a comfortable buffer. Rename your project media and export destination to remove special characters and symbols. Avoid slashes, question marks, emojis, or other non-standard characters in file and folder names. Keep paths short, use letters, numbers, underscores, or hyphens, and place your project in a straightforward directory. This prevents file path conflicts that can break renders, especially with certain codecs and operating systems. If problems persist, switch your renderer to a more robust mode. Go to Project Settings, open General, and set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This turns off GPU acceleration for rendering, which can bypass driver or hardware-related errors. It may be slower, but it's a powerful way to confirm whether the GPU pipeline is causing instability and to finish an important export reliably. Finally, update your graphics drivers, especially if GPU errors keep appearing. Use your GPU manufacturer's official tool or website to install the latest stable driver for your card and operating system. A current driver improves compatibility with effects, codecs, and hardware acceleration, and often fixes render crashes outright. Work through these fixes in order, and you should see exports complete more consistently.